Good morning, folks. We're going to be on the road traveling today. I'm always looking for some investments, what I deem are great investments, and I got to take care of some business today out of town, so we're going to see what we can do. But I'm going to bring y'all along as we travel down south through these small towns, through the rural areas, and we're going to see. Let's go. Yo, what's good, everybody? I'm still on this road trip. I'm actually headed back home, Opelousas. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed this little road trip. Got some things taken care of. Um, Looking forward to the future. And like I said, I'm just bringing y'all along for this little road trip. It's nothing fancy, but hopefully when I put this video out, um, y'all will just enjoy the ride. It's a lot of highway. Try to get some shots of some of the back roads and little towns and everything we passed through. I'm at a rest area now off I-49. I'm about to get back on it. I'm gonna try to get some of the shots. If y'all can see in the back there, there is I think that's the Red River, maybe connected to the Machapalai also, because I'm in the Chapalai Basin somewhere down through here, if my memory correct, because I love to fish. But I'm just enjoying myself on this road trip. So we're gonna get back on the road again. Y'all have a good one. What about y'all? It's hot. This is a beautiful area here off this rest stop though. I wanted to walk out there, not it, but they got a whole lot of signs out there that said "Beware of snakes." I don't do snakes. Sorry. Like I said, it's just a little road trip vlog.